Hey guys, today we are at beautiful Three Lakes in Florida, and we are going to do a review on a composting toilet. This is a C-Head made right here in Florida. It is, in my opinion, without ever using it, I think it's going to be better than Nature's Head like I have. My son ordered this one, and we are going to run through what it does. So it does come with a vent hose, but you do not need to vent this. It also comes with all the parts to vent it out the back, but can you get a fan for this, Josh?
I believe it's an option. You can.
You can get a fan for it, but this is all plastic. It is made to go exactly. You can push it right up against the wall, not like Nature's Head. So far, I think it's built pretty good, isn't it, Josh?
Oh yeah, built really good.
So it's a regular toilet seat on it. And then you raise this, you do your business in there, put it back on, has a crank you stick down in this hole once it's closed, that it comes with, and you turn it, and it does this instead of that like ours does. It is, doesn't you say it had Velcro?
Just for the seat right here.
Oh yeah,
right here.
So it stays on. And then you raise it up, and it's basically, I'm trying to keep out of the shade, it's basically a 5-gallon bucket with a, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it in there, but it's not an auger, it's like a foot on something, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a paddle kind of thing.
Yeah. And then what's neat about it is you can use any gallon jug, and for the pee diverter, which is right here. Now you can get this in different colors, and then this it's so simple.
You might be able to see it now.
It's so, yeah, see if I can. I'm probably not going to be able to, but maybe it is. If that made any sense. But it's just so simple made that they say you can use cat litter in this thing, you can use the peat moss sphagnum like we use in ours, or you can order just a bucket without the crank on it and then just put a bag in it, right?
Yeah.
But
There's
it's
all
so
kinds
simple.
of options.
There's, yeah, tie downs. You can get a weatherproof or weatherproof.
Oh, shower seal.
A shower seal, so if you're in a wet bath, which is for a van, I think that'd be perfect, or a small camper. Has a sight window, where am I at? Right here for your pee jug. But it's just so simple made. So he's going to try this thing out for a while. We won't film that part.
We can.
Well, yeah, we can, but it's pretty simple. But where is it? Let me get around here. I'm doing horrible. Where's the vent come out? Because there's a spot on the bucket. You can see where the vent, right?
Oh, you can drill the holes in the back of the side. That's what the kit's for.
And then here,
it goes in there.
Right here is where the vent is. That you hook this hose up to. But it's good made.
It's very well made, very well.
Yeah.
It's got little booties on the bottom so it doesn't roll around, slide around.
But it also has an anchor kit, correct?
You can order one.
Yeah, there's all kinds of options for this thing.
You can get a bigger toilet seat.
Elongated.
Yeah, you can get different colors. I think wood grain or black.
And it's shipped. This basically is the standard, right?
This is the basic model, yeah.
And it's how much out the door tax title?
$660.
$660 out the door. And like I said, it'll go right up against the wall in your bathroom. You don't have to leave it away from the wall. And to me, it looks like it's made as good as the Nature's Head. I just like the style of this.
It's very well built.
Because it churns this way around the bucket instead of that way. And there's really, like in our Nature's Head, when you raise the seat up, there's so many places to get stuff in. There's nothing in this.
Nope.
it stays in the bucket.
If something goes bad with your bucket, you just go get you another bucket.
Yeah, I mean, it wouldn't be hard at all to do that.
Cut your little thing out, but
yeah. There you have it. He's not going to install this yet. His bathroom is right here, and when he removes this seat, he's going to build, when he puts his plug in, he's going to build a platform and then raise it up a little bit for this to sit down in, and that way it's not moving around as he's driving around. So there you have it, the C-Head, and once you get it installed, we'll do another video.
Here
Hey.
shortly. Hey.
Hey.
Hey, mate.
Hey, mate.